Hello there. Today I am making ready-made chow mein from the microwave. And so let's read the directions. The directions here, it says number 1, open lid to dotted line, take out sauce packet and set aside. So I'm going to use a pair of scissors. And just cut this out all around. Oh, and here's some instructions. Okay, so microwave instructions says number 1, open lid to the dotted line, take out sauce packet and set aside. So here's the picture. Number 2, add room temperature water to inside fill line. Okay, here's a picture here. There's water being poured in. Then place in microwave center. Microwave for 5 minutes on high. Let stand for 1 minute. So 5 minutes in the microwave, and then you take it out and wait for 1 minute. Okay, number 4, lid, empty saucepan, packet into noodles, stir and enjoy. Some water in the container after cooking is desirable. Okay, so 1, open the lid in dotted line, to the dotted line. See, here's the dotted line. So open the lid, pull back, to the dotted line. And I see here is a sauce packet. Like they said, take out the sauce packet. Add room temperature water to inside the line. So there is, I don't know if you could see this, but there is a black line right here. So I'm going to add in my room temperature water up to that line. Okay, so I put it back here, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave. And cook it for 5 minutes. And while we're waiting, I have 2 oven mitts because it's probably going to be really hot. I have my fork so that I can stir. I have my sauce waiting for me. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to put this trash into the trash can. And I'm going to put away the scissors because I don't need them anymore. Okay. And I'm going to pause the video as I do that. Okay, so I have already put away the trash, put away my scissors, and now I am waiting for the microwave to be done. So I'm going to pause it again, otherwise this video is going to be too long. So I realized there was an oops moment because I forgot that I would have to cut this. So I'll have to take out my scissors, and then I'm going to cut it once the noodles are ready. Okay. And I'm back with the scissors. I'm going to set it aside so I can have a free workspace. Okay, so I unpaused the video and I'm getting ready to put my gloves on and ready. Oops, there it goes. So, as you heard, the beeper went off in the microwave. So luckily I have my gloves on so I can take out the hot container. It's really good to be safe. And now, I'm reading number 3 instruction, which is, oops, well, we just finished that, number 3. So number 4, we're at number 4, remove lid, and, oh, okay, well, there's another oops moment here. So we took out the food from the microwave, and now we have to put it in on the counter and wait for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to set the timer, and meanwhile I'm going to pause and activate this video. Okay, 1 minute has passed. So now I'm going to be careful and opening up this bag here. So be careful, it's going to be hot. I'm picking up the sauce packet, making sure that the liquid inside is at the bottom, and then I'm going to use my scissors and start cutting. Okay, and now I'm going to pour the sauce over my noodles. Okay, and I'm going to use my fork and stir the noodles. And you can see the steam coming up. Pick it up, and we're mixing our noodles and our sauce together. Okay. Okay, now it is all mixed up. And now it's time to taste. I'm blowing the noodles because I'm worried that it might be too hot for me. Not bad. So there you have it. But it's a little bit tangy. So there you have it. Hope you bon appetit and enjoy your food. See you next time.